Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to convert USDC to USDT on Binance. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorial. Now, first up, go ahead and log into your Binance app. Now, once you're in here, go to the top left and tap on the Binance icon. Just tap on it and wait for it to load. Now, once you're in here, go to the very bottom and tap on More Services. Just tap on it and go to the search function. Now type in convert. All right, tap on it. Wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, as you can see here, we have from. So this means we are going to convert USDC, right? So just go ahead and tap on the drop down, locate USDC, tap on it, and it is going to be converted to, tap on the drop down, USDT, tap on it. Now here at the top, from, just type down the specific amount. For example, 50. All right, just wait for it. And here we have the conversion. Once done, just hit on preview. Now, as you can see here, I don't have any USDC. Just go ahead and tap on increase USDC if you have the same problem, so that you'll be able to fund your USDC right here, and you'll be able to convert it to USD and this amount as well. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.